Guys, my name is KHUSHAL and I'm back with another tutorial. Today I'm going to show you a website name called Just Fill It Me. So before saying else, let's get right into it. So now guys, what you have to do is you have to open your favorite browser and search over here. Just Fill It Me. So click enter. I'm going to tell what this website do. So once you are in this website, it will look something like this. You can just check out for yourself. Yeah. So I'm gonna show you, for example, what we will do. If you are having your YouTube, Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, and you have to delete that permanently, yeah, for temporary. For example, I'm gonna type over here Facebook, and you can see over here Facebook will show over here, and just click over here in this option. It will directly come over here, and for example, what is supposed to do is delete your Facebook account for you, so you don't have to delete it. Yeah, you cannot waste your time. So I'm gonna show you, for example, to log, and whenever I will log in, what will happen. So for example, so now you can see over here delete my account. So that's all. So what do you think about this website? Let me know in the comment section. This website works for YouTube, yeah, also social media. What you have to delete permanently or temporarily, you can see there are options. So guys, make sure to like, share, subscribe. Like always, until then, see you next time. Peace out. Bye friends.